Hi guys, Dave's here. Well, I think I figured out how to install this gutter by myself. I've got a 32 long foot piece here to put up, and I put me some clamps up to hold it up. So let's see how it works. Fastened to the underside of the board here, and I've got them spaced out about 4 or 5 foot apart. Okay, that'll hold it up there until I get it fastened. Okay, now I've fastened it up. It's good to go. So I hope this helps somebody out. They're trying to do stuff by themselves. And as always, thanks for watching, guys.